Sudarshana powder is one of the most effective Ayurvedic preparation widely used in Sri Lanka as well as in India. It is recommended for all types of fever. Traditionally, it is used as an anti-malarial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory formulation. The main key ingredient was Chirata at the beginning of Ayurveda. Now it is replaced by the Androcappus paniculata hen being comb in Sri Lanka. Therefore, it has, and also it is hen being comb has an antiviral effect also. Hen bean comb is very bitter taste. Therefore, 50% include in the hen bean comb. Therefore, it's difficult to introduce in children. As I am an Ayurvedic pediatrician, I wanted to convert this Sudarshana powder into suspension. Therefore, I decided to do those things as my PhD studies with my supervisors, Professor Dulani Gunasekara, pediatric professor in pediatrics, and Professor Sugantika Suresh, professor in biochemistry, and also Dr. Kamal Pereira, senior lecturer in Institute of Indigenous Medicine. So we all decided to do these studies regarding the Sudarshana powder as well as the Sudarshana novel preparation, Sudarshana suspension. So we found at the beginning we have done that there are we checked the toxicity studies. It has proven that it has no any toxic effect during the period of 6 weeks administrations of drugs in rats. Therefore, and also we did the safety studies with Sudarshana novel preparation, Sudarshana suspension with healthy adult volunteers. It's also revealed that there is no any toxic effect when we check the liver function, kidney function test. And also, we have found that Sudarshana powder, Sudarshana suspension has antipyretic effect, anti-inflammatory effect, acute and chronic anti-inflammatory effect, antihistamine effect, and antioxidant effect, as well as anti-nociceptive effect. These are the effects shown very effectively. We can use this Sudarshana powder especially for the management of fever. So, because of the antiviral effect in Androcappus paniculata, we can suggest that drug is very effective for the present situation, COVID-19. And also, we have done clinical studies, phase 1 studies with healthy volunteers, as well as the phase 2 study with the pediatric pediatric patient with fever patients. So it also shown that it has a good antipyretic effect compared to the Sudarshana powder also. Novel preparation has a good antipyretic effect. Therefore, I would like that as team of our team can we like to propose these drugs. It can facilitate the patent novel suspension by conveying this information to the Minister of Health and to the President Task Force to introduce this drug. And also we are grateful to you if you can facilitate to the patent. We applied the patent in 2013, still waiting for the patent, it is on review. So if you can facilitate that things to us, we can develop this drug as soon as possible to introduce this COVID-19 patient. So I would like to request you to give this opportunity to us to introduce this novel preparation as well as the Sudarshana powder to the COVID-19 patients. Thank you.